This officer happens upon a suspect that shot at 3 random people from his vehicle. The officer is about to take fire also. Watch.
I'm actually right behind you. That's Sandusky.
Clear. 729, I'll have him stop here, Poplar and Charles.
Clear. Still open.
Form gun! Shots fired! Shots fired! Don't you move! Don't move! Don't you move! Don't you move! You move, I'll blast you! You hear me?
Yes, sir.
Move,
Yes, sir.
idiot!
Yes, sir.
What the hell are you doing?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey, here's my hand. Look.
Don't you move! Don't you
I'll
move!
just stand for the tires, all right? I understand, okay? Okay, okay.
I'm not playing with you!
I understand, okay? I'm close up with you guys, okay?
Get up! Is he shooting at you? Yeah, he shot at me.
Be tired, man. Be tired.
You're shot at the cruise. Tonight we got one in custody. Not the first person to try to kill me this year. Good job. You're shooting at us? You're trying to kill us.
Just tired.
Yeah, you're tired. Holy
You
dude.
see my Raymond?
You shot right at me.
In the helmet. The head.
Yeah, you're good.
That's a motorcycle helmet. Good move. So you're a better shot than me.
Holy.
All right? Okay? I'm
Did you
calm.
pat him down?
I'm calm.
No.
Can you guys like put my dick in my face, all right? I'm calm. You guys calm down, all
Did you
right?
shoot people out there
No.
in the county?
No.
Because we're looking for a shooting and you just happen to be driving around with a gun? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say or do can and will be used against you in the court of law. The right to an attorney, if you can't afford an attorney, will be appointed to you by the courts. You have the right to stop speaking at any time. You understand your rights? You serve in the Marines?
Yes, sir.
What the f, man? I got a
It's
2-year-old
not
at home,
with
man.
you guys, man. It's
I
not
got
with you
a
guys.
2-year-old at home.
I'm not killing people, man.
You're trying to f kill me, man.
No, I didn't, man. I shot to get tired, dude.
You shot my f car.
You wouldn't let me go regardless.
Chicken David Centerburg, 1999, confrontation wagon. It's not valid, man.
Just upholding the Constitution, man. That's all.
No, I don't think so, man.
Yeah, I am. You don't even know what I'm fucking doing, man.
You just shot at me.
The tire, man. You ever been to fucking combat, man?
I'm a f***ing cop in these tires, brother.
You see where I was aiming. I was aiming downward, okay?
I shot at him, Lieutenant.
I wasn't aiming at you guys. You think that all you want, but that's all I'm going to say. I wasn't intending to harm you, okay? Look at me.
Get in the car. Okay. Car.
2, you're clear. 7.
Take her easy. Take her easy.
Go ahead.
Shot him, man.
Go ahead and get a hold of 401. Get a hold of
Deep breath.
2 and 3.
Deep breath. Come sit down on the
Get him
floor.
here.
Hey, Bubba, how you doing, bud? No, doggy.
Road shut down.
Good, doggy.
Point that rifle right at me.
See over there crying? I didn't even shoot at you guys. Not directly, okay? Fucking tired.
I passed him. He came into town. I got to the light there by Little Caesars, and he had the rifle in his lap.
In the car?
And he looked at me, and I just let him go. I seen the back windows bust out. That's why I flipped on him.
Okay.
I got hit in the head, and I'm not crying. Shit.
Yeah.
I lit him up, and he came through, and he kept going. He was adjusting the rifle. He pointed out the back window, and he fired like four rounds at me.
He shot?
He shot at me.
Okay.
And then I shot. I don't know how much I shot. I shot at him in the car. He said I hit him in the head.
Okay.
Guy out there at the, you guys got out there at the county, killed somebody?
I don't know.
That's what Jenny's just telling me, the guy.
So, is Walker there? You're at Spring and Charles?
Yeah, we're at Spring and Charles. Get Kenny or Neil here too, because we got shooting officers involved in shooting and stuff. So, all right,
Good boy, good boy. I know you'd chew my arm off if you had a chance, but good doggy.
you good?
I don't feel like I'm being a bitch or something.
Hey, don't.
I live for this dude. It's weird.
You're not being a man.
I wasn't expecting to find him. Holy hell.
Well, we don't even know yet if this is the right
That's
car.
not my name of the guy.
We might not even be.
He had the rifle like literally he was wearing a helmet. He's sitting at the light. I pulled up next to him. I was like, I think that's who they're looking for. Because the back window's busted out. He's got glass all over it. If he's not the same guy, what? He's gonna go shoot somebody.
Once this is done and over with, you're probably going home, okay? So don't,
You mean I can't finish on my
No.
In the roadway there, we've dozen in residents.
I don't know if this was there before or not, but that looks fresh.
Stop the traffic.
No, that's a bullet.
Photograph the scene of the transformer
That was there though.
leaking.
Hey buddy, you okay? You good, buddy? Hey man,
Yeah,
are you okay?
I'm good, man. Are you all right?
You said you got hit in the head, dude. Are you good?
Well, I don't feel blood leaking down my neck, so I don't think I'm hit, but it hit my helmet. I'd like to shake that officer's hand when y'all get everything taken care of, all right?
All right. I gotta calm down, brother.
Yeah, you're good, man.
I guess he got shot in the head. Wireman said he shot him in the head, hit him in the helmet.
I don't see that's not a bullet mark.
No.
That is though.
Ah.
And right there's the round.
Yep. So he must have had his helmet on backwards.
It's on the top right. I felt it. Like I said, I'm not leaking blood down the neck. I can tell. I don't know if the helmet bounced off my head or
Look at my
what.
nose.
Here.
All right.
Who is this, sir?
Did they find the helmet? Was the helmet hit? It had to have been.
He's good.
Where's the helmet at?
I'm gonna touch the other places, okay?
Yeah. Are the officers okay? They're all fine, right?
Yeah, Waterman.
Good.
They got him.
I wasn't aiming at them. I was aiming at the tires.
I understand. I'm just making sure you're okay.
Yeah, I'm fine, man. I'm fine. You guys go home, all right? I'm fine.
I got no blood or injuries at all. Okay.
Hey, thanks, y'all. Have a good night, all right?
Here's the case. Yeah, just watch your step.
Hey, I just want to let you know before you found on Facebook or anything, I was in the shooting. I'm okay. But I just want to let you know, okay? I'm okay. I just want to let you know I'm okay before you see anything. I'll let you know more when I can, okay?
What's going on, brother?
Alright? I can't tell you, babe. I just want to let you know I'm okay, alright? I'll talk to you in a little bit. Alright, I love you. Bye.
Why don't you go back to my truck with me, brother, okay?
Holy man.
Hey, let's go down our cruiser. We'll get you out of the limelight.
Come on.
Okay. Our squads got one back there, second one back here.
Around 12.
I gotta ask her if I can show my camera.
I don't want to ask you any questions about what happened here. There was another shooting incident in the county, and I need to know if we're looking for another vehicle and another shooter, or if that was you.
I reserve my rights.
All right, thank you.
Your current address, road. Before I even start this, are you going to talk to us?
Hey, Jacob. You go by Jacob? If you want to talk to us, you want us to just go ahead and take you back to your cell. Hey, Jacob, can you look at us? Dude. We'd like to understand what the heck was going on today. Can you explain that to us?
If you're not going to talk, man, you're going to waste our time and your time. If you don't want to talk to us, just tell us you don't want to talk to us. If you want to acknowledge anything,